You're on.
All right, so right up here we have the top of the hill, okay? And what we want to find out, because we're going to take a little walk, is we want to find out the distance going down the ridge line. So it should be somewhere down over here.
Yep,
Okay?
right there.
All right, so we want to find that distance going down that slope. And we've learned about it in class, how to find that part of the right triangle. And of course we call it what, you guys? Yeah, I think I heard you say hypotenuse, right?
We hope so.
So we have our right triangle, and if we know the legs going straight up and down, which is your y-axis, and we know your other leg is going horizontally, okay, that's your x-axis, then we should be able to find that slope, which is angled. So now we'll show you a little picture on the ground that we sketched out.
All right, so this picture here is to illustrate the mountain that Mr. Greeny was just talking about. And if you look at the base of it, which is also your x-axis, we're going to approximate that it's about 1,000 feet long. And so hopefully you can see that in the dirt there. And then our y-axis, we're going to approximate that the height of that hill is about 800 feet tall. And so once again, we want to find the distance of that hypotenuse. And so that's your first job in part one of the series today that we're going to be working on. Anything else you want to add?
Well, and so what we can do is pretend this is a grid. Over here, this is our origin. We know that 0, 0. So we're zipping all the way over here. So this would be 1,000, 0. If you're going to use the distance formula, you need to know the x and y coordinate. Then this point right up here would obviously be 1,000 for the x and then 800 for the y. So even though they're big numbers, you can use a calculator, and when you do that formula, if that's what you choose, you can use calculator to do it. But if not, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, because remember we said this is your C, which is your hypotenuse.
Okay, so you got a few minutes to work on that. Shouldn't take you very long. Good luck, and when you're done that, we'll go to part 2.